On 1st of June, we celebrate the National Doctors' Day to honor our healthcare heroes. Doctors are the soldiers of our country. They don't fight at borders but dedicatedly work to save lives and improve life expectancy while putting their lives at risk. Their contribution towards human health is beyond expectations. Hi, I'm Mrs. Kritika Singh, the Director of Efficacious Judicial Law Academy. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to all the doctors, and through this video, I will be sharing some laws which are to protect the healthcare professionals. Doctors play a critical role in our well-being, but they often face numerous challenges and risk in their profession. So, this video is completely dedicated to all the healthcare professionals, in which I will be sharing all the laws which are there in our country to protect the healthcare professionals. I remember an incident which I would like to share. When I was expecting my first child, I remember visiting this seasoned doctor. She was a Bengali. And one day she tells me कि हमारी फैमिली में फ्रॉम जनरेशन टू जनरेशन सारे डॉक्टर्स हैं. इट्स अ फैमिली ऑफ डॉक्टर्स. बट मैं नहीं चाहती कि मेरी बेटी डॉक्टर बने. आई आस्क्ड हर, क्यों? आप क्यों नहीं चाहते कि आपकी बेटी डॉक्टर बने? शी सेज बहुत हरासमेंट है. Patients drag us to the court for every little petty things to the court. I remember this incident today, and I felt that today, as we celebrate the Doctor's Day, I can express my gratitude by sharing some important legal provisions which safeguard doctors fiercely under Indian Penal Code. So before we dive into the legal provisions, I would like to share some background that how did we start and what is the history of National Doctors' Day. In India, National Doctors' Day was first observed on 1st of July 1991 in honor of Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy to pay tribute to his contributions to the healthcare domain. Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy was a well-known doctor, a very well-known and a famous educator, freedom fighter, social worker and a politician. So he had many feathers to his cap. He was also the Chief Minister of West Bengal for 14 long years, from 1948 to 1962. And on 4th of February 1961, he received the Bharat Ratna Award. He gave his life to the people, treated many individuals and inspired millions. He was also a personal physician to Mahatma Gandhi, and today we celebrate 32 years of National Doctors' Day. So the primary legal framework governing the practice of medicine in India is the Indian Medical Council Act 1956. But today I will be sharing the provisions under Indian Penal Code which fall under general exceptions, Chapter 4 of IPC, in a very simple manner. As a general rule, every man is presumed to know the consequences of his act and therefore is made responsible for the same. However, there are certain exceptions to this general rule, wherein a person may be excused of his crime. The state as a policy identifies certain circumstances which are extremely compelling circumstances and are not self-created. The accused may do an act under those compulsive circumstances which may result into an offense, but it is not punishable because it lacks the requisite mens rea. So if अगर मैं अपने घर से कहीं जाने के लिए निकलती हूँ या कोई काम करने के लिए निकलती हूँ, बट मेरे से कोई ऐसा काम हो जाता है, कोई एक ऐसा एक्ट हो जाता है जो कि एक ऑफेंस है, मैं उस ऑफेंस के लिए, उस एक्ट के लिए लायबल नहीं हूँ जब तक मेरे माइंड में वो मेंस रिया मीन्स द गिल्टी इंटेंशन, जब तक वो गिल्टी इंटेंशन प्रूव नहीं हो जाती है तब तक इंडियन पीनल कोड एक पर्सन को अक्यूज नहीं मानता है। सो सिमिलरली जब डॉक्टर्स गुड फेथ में और पेशेंट के कंसेंट के साथ कोई भी सर्जरी करते हैं और अगर अक्यूज की डेथ हो जाती है या कोई हर्ट भी कॉज होता है तो उनकी लाइबिलिटी नहीं बनती है और उनको डिफेंस दिया जाता है सेक्शन 88 के अंदर, सेक्शन 89 एंड सेक्शन 92 ऑफ द इंडियन पीनल कोड। सेक्शन 88 में कंसेंट इज गिवन बाय द पर्सन हिमसेल्फ। सेक्शन 89 के अंदर कंसेंट इज गिवन बाय द गार्डियन। इन केस ऑफ अ चाइल्ड द कंसेंट ऑफ अ गार्डियन इज वैलिड। And under section 92 we have temporary guardianship. So if the doctor in good faith with his experience and knowledge conducts or does any act with the consent of the person, he is not liable under these respective provisions. I hope this video is useful and informative for all of you. Happy Doctor's Day. I hope this video was informative. Kindly like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till my next video, take care.